Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear brothers and sisters, the International Open University, IOU, is a pioneer in offering Islamic and Islamized educational courses and degrees online. I wish to take this opportunity to invite you to join our latest edition, a doctorate degree program in Islamic sciences. We officially began the Islamic Online University by launching our flagship program, the BA in Islamic Studies, in 2010. In 2015, we launched our MA in Islamic Studies program for our graduates and postgraduate Bridge to Masters, the BMAIs, for those joining from other disciplines. Finally, 6 years later, in 2021, we launched our PhD in Islamic Sciences by research. The International Open University, as we are now called, is providing a wonderful opportunity for all who are interested in pursuing higher education in Islamic studies. As all of the various levels of the programs are offered completely online, you can now earn your BA, your MA, and PhD degrees without having to travel or leave your home, or leave your day-to-day life and family responsibilities in order to pursue your dreams. Even if you have an MPhil or a master's degree in other disciplines besides Islamic studies, it's still possible to join our PhD in Islamic sciences. So, I encourage you to apply now and get in touch with our registration and enrollment teams and the registrar's office to discuss your way forward to join us in this beautiful journey. Barakallah fikum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.